What's up guys, it's your boy Lander. At ngayon ako'y nasa tabi or nasa baybayin ng El Nido. May mga bangka dito. And this is a private property land yan. And you know what's the awesome thing about here in El Nido is that peace, kapayapaan. Merong kapayapaan, merong malaking infrastructure, and also makikita mo yung komando. Kung tama ako, yan yung 7 Commando eh. 7 Commando Island. Meron din palang dark side, joke lang. Meron silang cementerio dito. Now, this is the cemetery in El Nido. Yan, cemetery. That's the cemetery in El Nido. And I'm here now, naglalakad ako. Ewan ko anong street to. Yan yung street, yan. Yan yung street.